So right now it's set to the default, which is a bit dark. You can set this to light or to... Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can open Chrome in reading mode. So reading mode is a new feature in Chrome, and let's get first to Chrome before we can unlock this feature. So just from the word itself, it is a new way of exploring Chrome where you can be able to read your prepared articles, your news, your stories in a more pleasant way that's fit for reading and nice to the eyes. So you can find it here on the top right of your screen. You'll go here and then you'll find more tools. You'll find reading mode. So it's currently on, but right now it doesn't have anything because it says that reading mode isn't available on this page. So let's find a page that we can use reading mode on. So I'm just going to close that later because there's an easier way to access. I'm just going to close that for now because there's an easier way to access reading mode. So let's say I want to read an article on history that I can find, let's say on Wikipedia. I want to read about Alexander the Great and what this dude has done from 20. Meanwhile here I'm 20 and I'm just editing videos for a living. What am I doing with my life? So how do we access this in reading mode? We just right click on the page and we'll see open in reading mode. When we click on this, as you can see, it will appear here now on the left side of our screen. Now we have the option to pin this to our toolbar to increase the font size or even change the font of the page. Now let's drag this to make it a bit bigger so I can focus on reading this part here. So right now it's set to the default, which is a bit dark. You can set this to light or to dark or yellow or to blue. Now I'm going to use my touchpad in order to read this in a much more pleasant way. I can now just zoom in, and now it doesn't have lots of random elements on the side, and it's just going to be focusing on the text in the middle, so you can focus on reading rather than looking here and getting your ADHD triggered by all of the photos and elements and icons surrounding the text. And now we can start reading. We can increase the font size and let's begin reading. That's it. That is how you can use or launch Google Chrome in reading mode. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching as always. Bye-bye. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.